Sometimes it's hard to find video topics that your audience is interested in. This video will tell you 3 ways that you can find video topics that people will watch. Number 1, go to YouTube search bar in incognito mode. This is where your YouTube search history is empty, so it's a perfect opportunity to go to the search bar and type in your keyword for your niche that you want to target, and then see what comes up. And what comes up is what people are looking for. And number 2, go to Facebook and Reddit. When you join a Facebook group or subreddit, you can find video topics that people are asking for, and you can find updates about your niche. Speaking of Facebook groups, I have one myself that you can find help for your titles and thumbnails. The link to the Facebook group will be in the description. Now, number 3. Going to Google Trends. Google Trends is a good way to find trending topics in your niche. You can also compare each keyword that you find on YouTube search and see which one is more interesting to your audience. If you want to learn how to use Google Trends, watch this video on the screen now, and I'll see you there.